Hello friends. OpenAI has recently released something that will truly amaze you. It's called Sora Ai. This tool allows us to create various videos by simply typing in English text. It's a groundbreaking release from OpenAI, possibly even more revolutionary than ChatGPT. While it's currently in the research preview stage, getting to know about it is crucial. The videos you're watching on the screen right now are not from the real world. They're all generated by AI, and they look like real videos. If you're curious about how these videos are made, stay tuned to this video. But before we dive in, I'd like to request everyone to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Let's explore the fascinating world of Sora AI together. Let me tell you what Sora AI is. It's an OpenAI video model launched by the creators of ChatGPT. If you visit their website, you'll see a variety of video models. All these videos have been created using Sora AI. If you look at the videos generated by AI in the past, everyone can easily recognize that these videos were created through AI, but the video you just watched looks quite realistic, which is generated by Sora AI. If you play these videos, you won't be able to tell it's real or generated with the help of AI. While using Sora AI, we can create videos up to 60 seconds long. Now, a question may arise about how we can create these kinds of videos. Whether we have used DALL-E before or another AI image generation model, where we generate images by inputting simple text. Similarly, we can write text to create videos in the same manner. This video you are watching has been generated with the help of Sora. You can see in this video, a woman is walking down a Tokyo street, surrounded by warm glowing neon lights and animated city. Here is the prompt used to create this video, which is, a stylish woman walks down a Tokyo street filled with warm glowing neon and animated city signage, and so on. You can read whole prompt. You will be amazed to see that this video looks completely real. Look at the woman's skin color and the street lights, they appear absolutely realistic. Here you can see another example of a video created with the help of AI. It depicts a fluffy monster kneeling beside a melting red candle. To create this, the following prompt was used. Animated scene features a close-up of a short fluffy monster kneeling beside a melting red candle, and so on. Here you can see another video in which a boy is reading a book. He appears to be a real person, but in reality this boy doesn't exist in this world. He has been created using Sora AI by using this simple prompt, which is, a young man in his 20s is sitting on a piece of cloud in the sky, reading a book. If you visit their website, you'll find a variety of videos created entirely with the help of AI. Here below each video, you can see the prompt that was used to type and generate that particular video. Just like providing detailed prompts enhances the generation of high-quality images, the same principle applies here. The better your prompt, the better your video will turn out with AI assistance. Now let's talk about how we can benefit from Sora AI, meaning how can we earn money by generating these videos. You might already be aware that previously, when we needed a video, we would obtain it from stock websites through a paid method. Sometimes, we couldn't find the specific video we were looking for. Now, with Sora AI, we can generate videos according to our preferences by providing specific prompts. These generated videos can be used in our YouTube videos, or even we can use in movies. However, I cannot provide information about the licensing of these videos until they are fully released. As I mentioned at the beginning, it hasn't been released yet. It's just a research preview that you can check on their official website. So it seems there's no specific release date for the video model at the moment, and OpenAI hasn't provided one. Like you, I'm also looking forward to when it will be released so that we can start generating our dream videos. So when this video model is released, I'll create a video for you. In that video, I'll experiment with different prompts to see if what they claim about its capabilities is accurate or not. Until then, you and I will eagerly await this release. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and consider subscribing to my channel so that I can see you in the next video. Thank you.